Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to extend display on Mac with Dell docking station, step-by-step multi-monitor setup tutorial. Step 1. Physical setup. Plug the Dell docking station into the power and connect it to your MacBook using the provided USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. Then plug your external monitors into the dock's video ports, HDMI and or DisplayPort. Step 2. Configure Mac OS display settings. Open the Apple menu and click on System Settings or System Preferences on older Mac OS versions. In it, click on Displays present in the sidebar. Then select an external monitor and ensure the Use As option is set to Extended Display. To manage your screens, click the Arrange or Arrangements button. Then drag and drop the blue monitor icons so their physical arrangement matches how your monitors sit on your desk. This dictates how your mouse moves from one screen to next. And uncheck mirror displays if you want to extend your desktop instead of duplicating it. Step 3. Troubleshooting display link dock. If you are using a Dell D6000 dock, which relies on display link technology, Mac OS will not natively detect the extended displays out of the box. So download and install the latest Display Link Manager app, then open the app after installation and ensure launch automatically after login is checked. Then go to your Mac system settings, in it go to privacy and security, then tap on screen recording and grant permission for the Display Link Manager. This allows the app to detect and extend the displays. Thanks for watching and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.